So, you ever feel like something's just missing from your food? Like you've put in all this hard work and yet somehow it isn't quite what you expected? Okay, it might taste good, but something's off. Could it be the lost nutrients? Those invisible health boosters that make our meals nourishing. You know heat? Yeah, that thing that transforms raw ingredients into delicious meals can also be a sneaky thief, snatching away those precious vitamins and minerals our bodies need and crave. Think of it like this. You buy the freshest veggies bursting with color and life, full of potential. But then you boil them for what seems like an eternity. And now what do you have left? A shadow of their former glory. A pale limp echo of their former selves. Their vibrant nutrients lost in that cooking liquid. It's almost heartbreaking, isn't it? We've all been there, trying to eat healthy, but maybe not maximizing the nutritional value of our food. It's a common struggle. And that's why we're here, because there are so many ways to keep those nutrients intact. Just like a good detective, we can outsmart this nutrient thief and keep those good things locked in our meals. With smart techniques, we can make sure our food is as nutritious as it is delicious. Think of nutrients like the fuel that powers our bodies. Just like a car needs the right kind of gas to run smoothly, our bodies need a variety of vitamins and minerals to function at their best. We're talking strong bones, a sharp mind, a rockin' immune system, and energy to spare. When we lose nutrients during cooking, we're basically shortchanging ourselves of these vital components. We're not just talking about preventing deficiencies here, folks. We're talking about optimizing our health, boosting our energy levels, and feeling our absolute best. Now, I'm not here to demonize traditional cooking methods. They have their own charm and cultural significance. Our ancestors did a pretty good job of nourishing themselves, using what was available to them in the best possible ways. But let's be real. Some of those age-old techniques, while comforting and delicious, aren't doing us any favors in the nutrient department. They often lead to significant nutrient loss. Take boiling, for example. One of the biggest culprits. It's a common method, but it can strip away essential vitamins and minerals. Sure, it's quick and easy, but it's like giving your vegetables a hot bath and then throwing out all the good stuff that leaches into the water. And then, there's deep frying, another popular method. While undeniably delicious, this method can actually cause the formation of harmful compounds. These compounds can be detrimental to our health in the long run. Plus, all that added fat, not exactly doing our waistlines or our arteries any favors. It's important to be mindful of how we cook our food to retain its nutritional value. So, how do we hold on to those precious nutrients that our bodies crave? It's all about choosing cooking methods that minimize nutrient loss and maximize flavor, because healthy food should taste amazing and be enjoyable to eat. Steaming is like the superhero of the cooking world, a true champion in preserving nutrients. It uses gentle heat and minimal water, locking in nutrients and preserving the vibrant colors of your food, making it look as good as it tastes. Think perfectly steamed broccoli florets, still crisp and bursting with vitamins. Next up, we've got stir frying, a high-heat, quick cooking method that's perfect for preserving the crunch and nutrients in vegetables, ensuring every bite is packed with goodness. The key here is to use a small amount of healthy oil and avoid overcrowding the pan, so each piece cooks evenly. And let's not forget about microwaving. It's often misunderstood. It often gets a bad rap, but when used correctly, it can be a surprisingly healthy way to cook, retaining more nutrients than some traditional methods. It's fast, efficient, and since it uses minimal water, it helps retain water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B, making it a great option for quick and nutritious meals. Cooking for maximum nutrition doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor. In fact, some of the tastiest cooking methods are also the healthiest. Take roasting, for example. Roasting vegetables at high heat brings out their natural sweetness and creates a delicious caramelized crust. It's a great way to enjoy nutrient-packed veggies like Brussels sprouts, sweet potatoes, and carrots. And then there's poaching, a gentle method that's perfect for delicate foods like fish and eggs. Poaching uses low heat and liquid, resulting in moist, flavorful dishes that retain their nutritional integrity. Here's the bottom line. Cooking is about more than just following recipes. It's about understanding how heat affects food and how to use it to create meals that are both delicious and nutritious. So, ditch the overcooked, nutrient-depleted dishes and embrace cooking methods that preserve the integrity of your fresh ingredients. Your body will thank you for it. Speaking of thank you, do me a favor and hit that like button, and hey, let me know how your new nutrient knowledge turns out.